This could be the car for you. The 2021 GMC Sierra. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this hard-working, boldly styled GMC Sierra, the full-size pickup available with a range of powertrains and options designed to prioritize the capabilities you've been looking for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, bed liner, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.